Hi, and welcome to Viperlink. We're excited to be working with you. In this short video, we'll explain some quick facts about our company and demonstrate how to use our services. As your IT partner, we deliver a one-stop shop IT experience. Our top priority is to provide business continuity and IT peace of mind to your organization. We provide on-site and remote support Monday to Friday from 9 AM to 6 PM. After-hours support is also available as an optional service. To start using our services, if you have a support, sales, or general inquiry, you can call or log a ticket. For urgent issues, we recommend using our innovative desktop and mobile app, IT Support Panel. Look for the green IT button in your task tray at the bottom right of your screen or located on your desktop. IT Support Panel works on Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. On a mobile device, you need to download the app to get the IT button. With IT Support Panel, you can log a ticket, take a screenshot, fill in a form, access self-service, access your client portal, start a live chat, and read about the latest news. You can also receive push notifications, secure identification requests, and secure messages. It's basically an easy-to-use, one pane of glass to access all of our IT services. Thank you for watching our quick video. Our team is really looking forward to working with you.